Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Friday, December 13th of 2019. And here are the morning announcements for today. Boys and girls, just a reminder that tonight is our first annual PTCO holiday walk that's happening at Perry from 5 o'clock until 7 o'clock. It is an open house. That means you pretty much can come anytime you want in between 5 and 7. So we will have activities in the main level by the office and then down by the art room. And then the cafeteria will have hot chocolate. And also a guest of honor with Santa will make an arrival here at Perry Elementary then also tonight. So hope to see everybody there between 5 and 7 o'clock today. Our December birthdays to make an announcement for, so happy birthday to Andrew Burnt and Lorelei Doherty. So happy birthday to both of you. I hope you have a great day today. We do have a birthday happening on the 14th of December to Isabella Carroll. So happy birthday to you also. And then we'll go through the rest of the birthdays next week into winter break. Our lunch choices for today are pepperoni pizza, ham melt, or American sandwich. And today we have another riddle, but this is a little bit different than what I've done before. So the riddle for today is: a person fell off a 20-foot ladder, but did not get hurt. Why not? So why did the person fall off a 20-foot ladder, but did not get hurt? There is one response. There could be a couple different responses, but there is one good response to this one. If I'm out and about and you see me and you have a response to this riddle, I will let you know if you had the correct response or not. I'll take up to 5 winners today. So instead of 3, I'll do 5 winners today for this riddle. We do have our pause expectations today by our kindergarten students.
All right, boys and girls, it is time for our pause expectations, and we do have kindergarten students here from Mrs. Green and Mrs. Hirsch's class today to go through those expectations.
No pushing people. No punching people. No kicking.
Marianne, what kind of voice should you use?
Quiet.
Use quiet voice. Thank you very much.
Thank you guys very much. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it is time for the Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you guys very much, and everyone have a great Friday. Hope to see you out and about today, and also hope to see you tonight for our PTCO holiday walk. So have a wonderful day.